Why do I love working at MarineMax? Have to be the product and people. The people being our team, as well as the customers that we work with every day, and the product being these beautiful boats that we get to deliver every single day.
I like working at MarineMax because it's a fun, fast-paced environment where we get to help people realize their dreams of boating on the water, spending their free time with their family and friends, and just all around having a good time.
Would I recommend working at MarineMax? Yes, I would. From the fast-paced day-to-day operations to the challenges we face every single day, it's exciting and motivating.
The biggest reason I like working for MarineMax is because we are delivering the dream. A lot of our customers, this is their first boat, and it is a very exciting time for them, and there's nothing more fun than watching them enjoy this dream of theirs that they've been working so hard for. So delivering that dream and working for MarineMax is something that I really enjoy.